Hey you guys, so today is Monday, August 1st. If you hear that sound in the background, it's because my mom is blowing up balloons for my birthday, so please don't mind that. But today we have to run a few errands. We have to go to Hobby Lobby to get some stuff for my birthday. So I'm having an all black affair dinner, and so me and my mom are trying to make like cute little like personalized wine glasses with like each person's name on it that's coming to my dinner. So yeah, we're gonna try to go into Hobby Lobby and find something for that, and yeah. Alright you guys, so I did my makeup because I got bored, but we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby now. Baby, it's freezing in here. Like, why is it always so cold in here? Okay, so what I want to do is I want to get some wine glasses, and then since it's an all black affair, they're gonna be decorated black, of course. And then I want to put each person's like nickname on there. So yeah, yeah. This is like glitter paper, but it's like the foam one instead of like actual paper. Glitter should be able to stick. It says glass, so it says it can stick to the glass. Y'all, it's actually so cold in here. Like, I'm shivering so bad I can't even record. Alright, now we're at Dollar Tree because my mom said they got wine glasses here, so we gonna see it. Ooh, it's raining, my lace finna. Ooh. So my mama lied. There's no wine glasses in here, so we did just waste our time. But I'm still looking for like other stuff that I can use in the bags. We're gonna wrap up the wine glasses in this. Okay you guys, so we went to Hobby Lobby to get the decorations for the wine glasses, but we can't find no wine glasses anywhere. Like, yeah, my mom is in Kroger right now, like buying food and stuff that we need for our birthdays. I don't know if I said this already, but my mom's birthday is 2 days before mine. Hers is actually tomorrow, the 2nd, and mine is on the 4th. Kind of just always like combine like our birthday stuff together. So yeah, but this year I'm having like my own separate dinner thing. Yeah, after this we're gonna go to Walmart. Walmart should definitely have some wine glasses, but if they don't, I guess our best bet would be to just like order off of Amazon with Prime shipping. Stopped at my job to make me some smoothies real quick. So yeah, I'm just gonna be drinking these and chilling, waiting for my mom to come out because she's gonna take so long. Unfortunately, I do have school on my birthday, which is so whack. Like, I've never had school on my birthday, but it's fine. Yeah, so I have to wake up early and go to school tomorrow on my birthday. Y'all are probably like, why are you being dramatic? Like, people do this all the time. But I have a summer birthday and I'm like never used to like waking up and like going to school on my birthday, you know? So yeah, in this vlog I won't really be showing like the school parts of my day because I'm making a whole separate vlog dedicated to like my first day. And yeah, sorry if my voice is a little raspy. I just woke up from a nap, so yeah, mind your business. I have like a lot of prepping to do before tomorrow. I want to do a face mask, lip scrub. I also want to do body scrub, and then, you know, shave. What else? I also need to go to the store because I need to get some wine glasses for my birthday dinner. I can't really like explain it, you just have to see it, and it's gonna be like black glitter, and it's like, yeah, you just have to see, and that's what we have going on right now, and I will pick back up when we're about to go to the store. Okay you guys, so I'm back from the store and getting everything that I had to get before tomorrow. Mainly I was going to get these pins because my mom is gonna pin curl my hair up tonight, shower and like shave and everything, all that good stuff. Then when I get out, I'm gonna do a face mask, and then I'm gonna get my hair curled. My mom is starting her hair this week, so when she does, I definitely will be promoting it. But it is so cute. She did it black and gold because my dinner for my birthday is going to be black and gold. And yeah, Okay, so the mask is dry. Here's what it looks like. I'm gonna go rinse it off. While I was waiting, I also set out my makeup that I'm gonna use tomorrow and my jewelry. For my makeup tomorrow, I'm going for like a simple look. It's not gonna be a full beat because first off, no, like it's just cool. But I just want to look good for like my last first day pictures. So yeah, I'm gonna go rinse this off my face stuff. Okay guys, so it is 12:30, so it's officially my birthday. Like I'm 17. Oh my god. I'm excited, but I'm not like too excited because I mean 17 is just like it's like an in-between age, you know? I have my hair all pin curled up and ready for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm about to go to sleep because it's getting really late and I don't want to be tired in the morning. So yeah. Okay you guys, so I just got home and I'm about to start on my makeup for my birthday. Yeah. Hey, Grandma.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you. I love you. Sorry, yeah, that was my grandma. But also, my best friend got me flowers, and I'm going to take pictures with them later. So, to start on my makeup, but I'm going to be watching a tutorial on it. So, if I keep looking, that's why.
No matter what you say or what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Okay, hold up, wait a minute, all good just a week ago. At my house, and we party every weekend. So on the radio, that's my favorite song. Make me bounce around like I don't know, like I won't be here long. Now the thrill is gone, got no patience, cause I'm not a doctor. So why is you lying? Girl, why you move faster? Get me casa. Got it stripping like Gaza. Got so high off volcanoes, now the flow is so lava. Yeah, we spit that saliva. iPhone got message from Viber. Either the head is so hydra, or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you hate with your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavishes. That and shit is I'm bad as it means they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back, we can do this. Hold up.
No matter what you say or what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005. Hold up.
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 Hold up. Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side till 2005.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up.
Here's the face so far. Hold on. Okay. Here's the face. I just need to put on blush, eyeshadow, eyeliner, highlighter. I think that's it. It looks so good. Shout out to Array of Tune. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but I will have it on the screen. I just followed her tutorial and I added, you know, of course my own little spin to it. But I went off of her tutorial and it turned out so good. not gonna be wearing this purse or these slides, but other than that, this is the fit. Super cute. I'm so obsessed with these pants. I'm gonna be wearing them with these lace ups, but I'm not putting them on right now, of course. I take pictures with the roses. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. 17. Happy birthday to you. What's right? Happy birthday.
My birthday was a success. I had so much fun and I really enjoyed myself. If you told me happy birthday or, showed any type of love towards me for my birthday, thank you. I highly appreciate you. Right now, I'm just ready to get this outfit off, get this makeup off, and get in the bed, okay? So, yeah, that is it for today. For the birthday vlog, I will be picking back up this weekend when I have my birthday festivities going on when I go to my birthday dinner. So, yeah.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
The day before my birthday dinner, and we have a little arts and crafts to do. Remember when I was shopping for the wine glasses? Yeah. Finally got the wine glasses. Then I had like a bigger, like a wider, the dinner's tomorrow. We just have to work with what we have. And to Bed Bath & Beyond, they only had these ones. They didn't have the wider ones in stock. So yeah, but yeah, basically we're going to be decorating these. Right now I'm only just going to be putting the names on them and like the tape around the rims. Y'all won't be able to see everything because I'm gonna show it, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. And then tomorrow we're going to put the glitter on them and early in the morning so they can dry and all that. We just have to get some black gift bags to put the wine glasses in because we can't just carry them, of course. Okay, so I'm gonna time lapse all of this because I want to play music and yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is what I have so far. This is gonna be my cup. It says Fly Girl. Super cute. And then I'm just gonna put the tape at the top, and then yeah, the rest will be for tomorrow. And I think I might glue some of these to like the bottom of the rim. And yeah.
No, it's gonna be easy, tell me. I got a bankroll. Shooters doing what I say, so cause they on pay.
Hey you guys, so it's the day of my party. It's about 10:30 in the morning. I'm about to go downstairs to the patio. Me and my mom are gonna put the glitter on the wine glasses. And then after that, I just have to, clean up my room and everything. And then I'm gonna start getting ready.
If you ask me, then I'm number one, but that's my opinion. You could go check the stats yourself, just start signing in it. Niggas tryna compete with me in the same lane. Fuck around, I'm in my own way, see if they maintain.
Okay guys, so we're done with all the wine glasses and now we're just letting them dry a little bit. Then we're gonna like brush them off again. And yeah. Before I start getting ready for my dinner, I do want to do a face mask again. So we're gonna be doing the same one I did last time, the Aztec clay one.
No, it's gonna be easy, tell me. I got a bankroll. Shooters doing what I say, so cause they on payroll. I got all purple on my shoes, I look like Saints Row. If I let
dry for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I just got out the shower and I'm about to start on my makeup. I'm gonna be doing the same makeup look I did on my actual birthday, so I'm not gonna be filming it. But yeah, I'll just pick up when my makeup is done. Okay, you guys, so this is my makeup. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the glossy lip or if I want to do matte lip. Oh, there goes Swarm. And there goes Casey. There goes Casey.
I am back for the dinner. Like, you really thought you got rid of me at school.
Yeah, he's back.
We out.
Here's the dress. I haven't put on the other stuff yet. But
Oh
yeah.
God, that's
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you.
Okay, guys, so everybody's here. They look so cute.
it's so cute in there. You can see them making right there.
You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah,
Okay, everybody got their food.
All right, you guys, so we're waiting on the ride home. It's just me, KT, and my bestie, Kyla. Yeah, y'all see the body, though?